Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to add your nickname or how to include your nickname in your Google account on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change your nickname or how to add your nickname in your Google account, just going to show in this video. Click on the profile, click on the manage your Google account. So you will see this option here, this page here. Now you just click on the personal info. After clicking on the personal info, you just need to click on the name. After clicking on the name, you can find option called nickname. So it's actually empty. Just click on this and here you can just add your nickname, like whatever the nickname you just needed. For example, here I'm just going to type as a tech, like that. So here it's mentioned as who can see your name. Anyone can see this info when they communicate with you or view the content you create in Google service. So here I just added my nickname as Tech. Change your nickname will be reflected across your Google account. Click on the save option to add your nickname on your name. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.